If you are a seller who lists vehicle parts, then you are probably very familiar with parts compatibilities. It can be time-consuming to manually specify all the various makes and model a part may fit. In 6-bit, you can create compatibility sets to make data entry quicker and easier. To create a compatibility set from scratch, we need to open the Manage Compatibility Set window. Click File, Manage, and then Compatibilities. You can also open this window from the Compatibility tab on the Item window. Here we can see the existing compatibility sets and the number of items and listings using each of them. Click New and enter a name for the new set. We will name this Toyota SUVs. When we click OK, the compatibility set editor opens. If we had opened this window from an item, the category chosen on the item would have been filled in on the Select a Category dropdown. The category selected determines the compatibility fields that will be available to fill in. Since we opened the editor from the Manage Compatibilities window but not the Item window, we need to manually fill in the category information. Once we have selected the category, the compatibility fields available will populate on the left of the window. If you want to add an existing compatibility set to this set, choose it from the Compatibility Sets drop-down and click the arrow to the right to add it to the list. For additional entries, choose a value for each compatibility field. For make, we will select Toyota, model RAV4. In the year section, we can select more than one at a time by using either Shift-click or Control-click. I'm going to select 2013 through 2022. I'm going to leave the trim and engine as all. We can now click the right arrow to add them to the list. Leaving them as all is useful because it can be simpler to select all trims or engines and then remove only one or two, rather than selecting all of the desired trims and engines individually. We can expand the trim and engine by highlighting the rows we just added and then right-clicking and selecting either Expand Trim or Expand Engine. For this example, we'll expand the trim. 6-bit creates a separate row for each trim. To remove a row, select it from the list and click the left arrow to remove it. Once a row has been added, you can add notes by right-clicking the row and selecting Change Notes. When you are finished adding compatibilities, click the OK button to save the compatibility set